Welcome to my art room. Today I'm going to do a flip and drag on a black negative space. So I'm going to pour my black paint, which I've mixed up fairly thin, I think. Might need a little more water, but I'm going to try and get it as thin as I can so it moves pretty good on the canvas. I always think it's thin, but I never get it thin enough. So I'm going to add some more water. And sometimes black thickens as it sits too, so alright, I think one more shot and I'm done. So this is a canvas, I think it's 20 by 16 that I don't like anymore, so I'm going to pour over it. Alright, let's try this. I think I'm pretty good now. So I've got a couple of colors mixed that I'm going to use. I'm going to use purple, which is a Artist Loft, just purple. I got some white. I've got some gold. This is an Artist Loft gold color. It's not, doesn't say metallic, but it's in the tube. And I have Aqua, Artist Loft, and some blue, some Cobalt Blue that I'm going to use. So I'm just going to use these little cups. You probably can't see it right now, but I might only need one. I'm going to put a little bit of white in the bottom of the cup. Okay, so then I'm gonna use this nice cobalt blue. Just pour it in. Oh, I know what I forgot to do. I'm just gonna add a little bit of Treadmill silicone. I think my purple has it already. I'll add a bit to my blue. I'm just gonna put one drop in that. I'm not going to stir it. There's some more over here. All right, I'm just going to flip it over. And it's moving already. I'm just going to let a little bit out at a time. Oh, that's quite a lot I let out at a time. I want to get it over here. Wow. That's pretty. I'll let that flow together. Look at the cells, wow. Just want to cover up that bare spot. Come back a bit this way. There. Beautiful. I'm not sure if this is all in for you, but I'll try and turn it the other way. I'm going to get my torch. All right, I got my little butane torch. I love it. I'm going to turn it around this way for you. Well, what do you think? You think it's gorgeous? I think it's gorgeous. start to blow some of that out, but I wish I could find a straw. I know I have. Oh, here they are, right in front of my face. Love it. It's all really pretty. Really pretty. Oh, I think I just leaned in my painting. Anyway, I think that's it for now. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to do some touch-ups on this black. But it's awesome. It's awesome, awesome. Well, thanks for watching. I might hold it up and see if you can see the cells a little closer. See this part over here that I was blowing? I guess you didn't see that on camera. It's a little close, my camera. So that's a flip and drag on black with a little bit of silicone. And awesome colors. The golds there came out. I like how the black from the bottom comes up through. I can't say enough. Thanks for watching. Come back soon. I should have the dried results at the end. Bye-bye. Hi. Just came down to have a look. See if my painting's dry. And it's, I'd say 90% dry. There's a little wet spot right there. But it dried pretty good. Some close-up. You can see where the silicone has come through. But that'll get cleaned off. You can clean that off with cornstarch. And then we'll clean it with water, but you have to let this dry for, I'd say, a week or so before you start to clean the silicone off. Oh yeah, I'm happy with it. Thanks for watching. Come back soon. Bye-bye.